welcome back to MS in Germany. I am Amolya Sharma, your education counselor. In this video, we're going to talk about letter of motivation or the LOM. What is it? Why is it required? Why is it so important? And most of all, how to prepare it. So let's begin. So after you get admission in your dream university and you're all done for everything, there's just one thing left, and that is the German student visa approval. Right? Because if you don't get that, then you won't be able to go to the university that you selected for, obviously. Getting the student visa approval is something hard to crack but not impossible. For clearing the student visa process, the letter of motivation is one of the most important documents for the student visa approvals for Germany. So what are LOMs? LOMs, as the name suggests, letter of motivation, states the reason why are you going to Germany, what is your motivation to go to Germany, what benefit will that university or course give to you, and what benefit would you give to the country, and how is it overall beneficial for your growth, and what are your future plans, your plans after 5 years in Germany. So all of that you need to mention in your letter of motivation so that they know exactly why are you going there. Now coming to why is it so important. A letter of motivation makes you stand out of all the other applicants that are applying for the student visa in Germany. So if your LOM is well written, if you have stated everything very clearly, if you have mentioned statistics, and if you have mentioned clear reasons why you want to study in that university or that program, then the visa officer will have a clear idea why you're going there, and you might get an approval much sooner than all the other applicants. Now that we've come to know what is a letter of motivation and why is it so important, let's go ahead with how to frame it. So beginning with the process, let's just break down the three main areas of the letters that you need to focus on. The first one will be the introduction, and that will focus on Germany. The body will focus entirely on your university and your course that you have chosen. And the third one, the conclusion, contains all your future goals, why are you going there and what are your future plans after studying that program. Now let's come to know what goes into the introduction part. So in the introduction, you can include a couple of things. The first thing being about Germany. What is it about Germany that excites you? That is something different. Why Germany stands out from other countries and what technologies does it hold? So you just basically need to mention everything that you like about the country that you're going there for. After that, you need to be more specific about why are you planning to study in Germany? Is it the high quality education that they provide that includes all the theoretical and practical knowledge that is required for you to get a good job and a good career after all? You can also write about the low tuition fee, the scholarships and the grants that the German government gives to the international students. That is something very important to you. Also in Germany, people take a lot of pride in their language, German. So you can also mention how you will get to know a new language and you can use it throughout Europe if you want to build a career there. Now that we have completed the introduction, let's move to the body. In the body, we need to talk about the university and the course that we have chosen. So you can start by writing how good the university is, how conducive the environment is, what cultural diversity the university holds, and why are you so excited to go into that university. You can also mention about the various technologies, about the labs that are available in the university that you don't get usually in your home country. You can also mention about the high quality of education that university provides. Also, if your university has some famous and well accomplished faculty, so you can mention about that as well. Internships play a very crucial part in the overall university journey of yours. So you can also mention the various tie-ups your university have with other players in the industry, so that you can also mention how it is good for your future, how is it good for your career overall. Now, as I mentioned, in the body we need to include about the university and the course as well. So when you start writing about your course, firstly mention why you developed interest in that particular course. Was it some subject you studied in your graduation or your school? Was it some internship that you did that sparked that little interest in you, and then you started researching more about it, and that's why you're here right now? And all about why is that program so important and so interesting for you. You can also mention how this program is a notch above all the similar kind of programs available in other universities in Germany, and you can also mention how this program stands out of all the other courses for you as an individual, for you having that particular skill and that particular interest. You can also mention the suitability of that program for specific students from specific backgrounds so that you can be more specific about why it is suitable for you to study that program. Lastly, you can mention the career opportunities that the university and the program has to offer after the completion of your course, and the job opportunities that are there in the market, the research opportunities that you might get after completion of that course or during the course as well. So you need to mention everything, every statistic that you figured out, that you researched about before applying to that course, that states why do you want to study that particular course in that particular university. Finally, we come to the conclusion part. In the conclusion, you need to mention what are your long-term goals. What will you do after the completion of the course? Will you stay in Germany or will you come back to your home country? And why is your going to Germany beneficial for your home country and Germany as well? So you need to mention everything. Also, it's a great opportunity for you to clear out all the discrepancies that are there in your application that you wouldn't have cleared out otherwise. So if you have pursued your bachelor's or master's before and you are pursuing it again, you can mention the reason why are you doing that. If your grades are low in the bachelor's or the master's that you pursued, you can let them know the reason, like why did that happen, was it because of some personal reasons or stuff like that. If you have an unrelated master's program, for example, you studied something in your bachelor's and you're studying completely different thing in your master's, then you can state the reason why. You can state what internship or job experience you took that motivated you to go to that particular field of study. You can also state what short-term course that you might have done after your graduation that motivated you to change your course. Now that you've learned how to draft a letter of motivation, let's get to know about something else. Why is it different from the cover letter? So a lot of students believe that the cover letter and the letter of motivation are the same thing. But no, they're not. A cover letter is more personal to you as an individual. It contains your personal details, your academic qualifications, your financial status, why are you going to Germany, and what accommodation in Germany are you planning to stay in, and all of that stuff. So basically, a cover letter includes a lot about your personal details, and a letter of motivation contains more of why are you going to Germany, why are you pursuing that university or that course, and what are your long-term goals. Now that you have accomplished all the knowledge about the letter of motivation, let's get to the main part, framing it. So if you find this whole process overwhelming, if you find it very difficult to do and you do not know how to stand out of the other applicants, here's where MSN Germany can help you out. MSN Germany can help you out by telling your story in our words. We have professional and very skilled writers who can help you out with your letter of motivation. We follow a methodical approach, and that contains first analyzing your profile, then discussing you further about your profile, like why are you going to Germany, about your course and what have you done earlier. And then our writers collect the information about the university and the course that you've applied for, so that they can prepare a convincing letter of motivation for your visa process. And they make sure that your letter of motivation is delivered on time. I just want to say one thing at last. If you're all done with your preparation, you've got into your dream university, as I mentioned earlier, you need to get that visa as well. You need to walk in proudly with your student visa approved in your university and course of your choice. So just keep in mind all the points I mentioned in this entire video and frame a very beautiful letter of motivation so you can get your visa approved as soon as possible. And if you're struggling with it, we are still here. We are here to help you out. Take care everyone. Like this video. Comment down your views. Comment down what topics would you need in the future for your application in Germany. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel because we come up with informative videos about your masters in Germany every week for you guys. So take care everyone. Bye.